Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you all how to create Snapchat public profile in 2022 with update method. Okay, so this is very easy process, just one click and you can create Snapchat public profile in 2022. So if you want to know how to create Snapchat public profile in 2022, please watch full video till the end, then you will know how to create Snapchat public profile. And please subscribe this channel and hit the bell button for new update video. Okay, so what you have to do is just go to your Snapchat, which Snapchat account you want to create a public profile. Okay, then you need to click on profile and then simply scroll down. Then you can see here is spotlight and snap map. Okay, and then you need to click on spotlight and Snapchat. You can see here is option. If once you click on option, then you can see here is Snapchat create public profile settings. Just click on create public profile and then you can see here is already show your name create public profile. Then you can see here, just if you click on get started, then just one click your Snapchat public profile will be great. You can see just I click on get started and then you can see already Snapchat public profile create. Once you click on my public profile, you can see here new my public profile. Now you can add your cover photo, you can add your profile photo, each and everything. Once you click on edit profile, then you can see you can get option here. Suppose this is my profile picture. Okay, you can see I already upload my profile picture, and then you can write some bio like I am new here. Okay, that's all. And then you can set your location as well. You can set your city, California, country USA. Okay, you can see already set everything. Then if you want to show subscribe count public, then you can click here, then everyone can see. If you want to hide, then you can just tap there. Okay, you can see easily I create Snapchat public profile. Okay, so this is the way, this is the only one way you can create Snapchat public profile in 2022. So if you want to know anything about Snapchat, please comment on this video comment section. And if you think this video is helping you all to create a Snapchat public profile, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell button for new update video, or you can follow me on Instagram. Okay, so see you soon on next video. Till then, take care, tata, bye bye.